Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'm in Qatar, Doha, the Doha Festival City, and gonna just show you a few of the shops, and there's an Angry Birds theme park, which is quite good. So yeah, let's get underway. Obviously, for those who know, Toys R Us actually shut down in the UK a few years back, but when I was a kid, it's just everywhere. So it's really nice to see a Toys R Us here, even if it is slightly overpriced. It was time for Jummah prayers. I found a Disney store. They've got rid of pretty much all of them in the UK except for one on Oxford Street in London. A lot of the stuff is expensive. There's only very few items which you can't find anywhere else. Otherwise, the rest of the items that they had for sale, you can pick up from Amazon or somewhere else, and you can pick them up a lot cheaper as well. We were heading down to Angry Birds World, and it was always nice going early to it. It was just after Jummah prayers, so as a result, it wasn't as crowded. It would later on end up being more crowded. Most of the rides on the inside area were actually empty, so we ended up going on a few of them again and again. We were going to head to the outside area where most of the harsher, tougher rides were. Most of the rides again were very empty, and to be honest, I've got no objection to this. Some of the rides that went round, particularly like this water ride, was empty, had nobody on it. I would have to be paid millions of pounds to even think about going on this. Honestly, it's just, no, I could barely watch it as well. It had a live show going on. The kids seemed to enjoy it, which was the main thing. The gift shop wasn't too bad. It was very overpriced, but you get that in theme park stores. Most of the items I felt were teddies and plushies, to be honest. They seemed to have some other items like pencil cases and water bottles. I was expecting more of a variety like figures and toys. The nice thing was the top-up card you had for the rides. If you had any money left over, you could actually put it towards something in the gift shop, which is what we did. We finished with Angry Birds World and it was time for the Cheesecake Factory. The Cheesecake Factory is very expensive. It's not somewhere I would go regularly, but we don't have this in the UK. And I've had it once in Dubai before and absolutely loved it. And I took my time looking at the menu really and picking what I wanted. They gave complimentary bread, which is actually quite tasty, but I ended up eating all of them and was slightly full up before the main meal came. Got some cheese bites with a dip and we got us some pasta, and the pasta was actually really lovely, to be fair. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. The cheese bites were also delectable as well. Ordered a plain cheese pizza, margarita pizza, and it was one of the best margarita pizzas I've ever had. Honestly, I would recommend it. Got a side of chips, as you usually do anywhere. Got some hot chicken wings, which were delicious, and they were slightly hot as well. Got a couple of dips with that. Got some fish as well. I also had a chicken breast piece with mushrooms and mashed potato, and I think it was a piece of lamb on the other side. I actually can't remember, but I remember it being so delicious. Honestly, I wanted more. That was it for that day. I was tired, I was full up, and it was time to head back to the hotel. Give the video a like if you found it useful, consider subscribing, and until next time.